Karen Donovan with another episode of You've Got Questions, We've Got Answers. Today's question comes from Trudy Urso, and Trudy asks, after a home inspection, who pays for the repairs? People ask me this all the time, so today I'm going to offer some insight. First of all, it's important to understand how the inspection process works. In general, after a buyer and a seller reach agreement on the sale, the buyer will have an inspection within 7 to 10 days. Then, a licensed professional will make a full report of any issues they notice. Once the inspection report is finalized, negotiations over how to resolve any necessary repairs will begin. Now, the seller isn't obligated to complete or pay for any repairs, but likewise, the buyer has the opportunity to back out of the deal if it's that way. However, this isn't usually how things play out. Instead, the buyer will review the home inspection report, which he pays for and costs anywhere from $400 to $650. And then when the inspection is completed and reviewed, the buyer's agent will bring the most critical items from the inspection report to the seller's attention and ask that the problems either be resolved directly or that the seller offer a financial credit so that the buyer can take care of the issue themselves. Now, keep in mind that in order for all parties to be on the same page, the items to be addressed should be what I call habitability issues, things that materially or structurally affect the habitability of the home, rather than just cosmetic items like chip paint or cracked tiles. This request will most likely be negotiated and discussed between all parties, and then it will be presented as an addendum to the original contract. There are many ways to approach these negotiations, all of which should involve having the right agent advocating for your best interests. I want to thank Trudy for her thoughtful question, and as a thank you, she'll be receiving a $25 Amazon gift card in her email. If you have questions about any real estate related topic, please contact me at my toll-free number 800-822-1222 or email me or text me via the information included with this video. And if we answer your question here, you too will receive an Amazon gift card. I look forward to hearing your questions because we just may have the answers. Until next time, this is Karen Donovan. Remember, make it a great day.